Hi, I'm Mike from Cryptonomic, and today we're going to do a thing with Galleon. Previously, we've seen how to create a new account with a new seed phrase. Today, we're going to restore this account into a new file wallet. We again start by creating a password and confirming it. Then we select a location to save the file. Notice that the extension of the file is Tezos wallet. Now we go to restore from backup, and we will use the seed phrase from the previous video. And that's it. We did a thing with Galleon. In this case, we restored the account from seed phrase. Remember, keep your seed phrase secure and only download Galleon from known sources.